Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on light mode on Telegram. Whether you're trying to give your eyes a break from dark mode or you simply prefer a brighter look, this step-by-step tutorial will make it super easy to switch things up. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone, the steps are almost identical. Once you've got the app open, look to the top corner of your screen and tap the 3 horizontal lines icon. That's the menu button. This will open a sidebar where you can access all your Telegram options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all its customization features, privacy tools, and appearance options. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap that. Here, you'll see all the visual adjustments you can make to how your chats look: font size, themes, colors, and more. Now, the magic happens. Inside the chat settings, look for the option that says Switch to Day Mode. This is Telegram's light mode feature. All you need to do is tap it once, and instantly your interface will brighten up. Your chats, menus, and overall layout will switch from dark tones to clean, light ones. And that's it. You've successfully turned on light mode on Telegram. It's a quick change that makes a big difference, especially if you're using the app in daylight or prefer a lighter aesthetic. Plus, you can switch back to dark mode anytime using the same steps, just by selecting Switch to Night Mode. So now you know exactly how to brighten up your Telegram experience. Remember, this small setting change can make your conversations easier to read and give your app a fresh new look. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to check out more quick tech tips and tutorials right here.